Hi guys, this is Joni again. I'm back in my shed. I have 2 windows done. 1, 2, and here is the third I've framed out. And here's the wall that's not going to have a window on it. And I'm going to show you how I cut the opening. It's one of the hardest parts. I'm going to use my Dremel tool, which is right here. And I need my gloves. I'm going to get my gloves. Hold on, let me get those gloves. Got my painting gloves, but they work just fine. And this tool is better for me than my sawzall because it's not so scary. It doesn't vibrate as much. It takes a little longer, and I'll show you how it works. That's going to be all this video. It's only going to be a Dremel tool video to show you how it works. And I have all this get up on my face because stuff goes everywhere. It gets in my hair, gets in my face, and I don't want to breathe it. So, there's what it sounds like. It's loud and annoying. However, it works pretty good. I'll show you how it works. Okay, I got through in that area, so in that amount of time I did about that much. So you see, it's going to take me a while. I might work on the corners and then go ahead and do some with my sawzall because it's a lot faster, but it just really jerks me around, so I don't like it as well. So I'll post another video when I get done and show you the nice opening. It's going to be wonderful to have the air flowing through. Thanks for watching.